Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day, and today we're talking about sanitizing your toothbrushes with UVC technology and this sanitizer. This was sent to me by a company called CYCBY. I'll be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below so you can check it out, and if it makes sense, you can order it. Great way to go for your toothbrushes to make sure they stay sanitized in the bathroom where you can get a lot of germs. And it's nice that it also has the toothpaste dispenser. Let's talk about what's included. So you have the sanitizer. You also have two strips, and these strips are for the back plate. So when it's hanging on your mirror or your wall, then that is what it's for, and we'll talk more about that. It also comes with a micro USB cable. You got your instruction booklet in English and Chinese. A little hard to read, but it's an easy device to use, so I look forward to sharing that with you. And then you also have the box as well. Now, if you find this video, by the way, of help to you, appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and find I add value, then click that subscribe button and, of course, the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos like this one. Now, this does use UVC lighting, and there's a lot of products in the market, as you probably have seen, that use UVC types of lighting. They call it using Blu-ray high-intensity cleaning technology, and it helps keep the toothbrush 99.99% clean and brings you a clean toothbrush every day. And that is on top where the two lights are, which is then supposed to then sanitize the toothbrush heads. Now, as far as there might be different levels of UVC lighting, and I've seen some other products. The one thing that may concern me a little bit is there's only two lights, and so is that really over the period of 360 seconds is what it does to go through the process? Is that going to give you enough time to then cover all the toothbrush heads? So that's one thing that I had thought about. Now, as far as charging, you got your charging port down there, and it does give you an indicator of how much battery life is remaining. On a full charge, you should get about a week's worth of use, so which is great, and again, right there on the display. As far as the product, it is lightweight. It's low profile. It's not bad looking. I think it would work in most bathrooms, and I think for most people it's going to work fine on a mirror. Now, as far as the door, you can see that that door opens up, and this is where you fit your toothbrushes. Now, you can fit up to 5 toothbrushes. So if you have an electric toothbrush, you can hang your electric toothbrush. Obviously, a regular toothbrush, you can do that as well. If you have a Quip toothbrush, you can put it in there, but you'd have to put it on an angle. So that's one thing just to keep in mind. Now, once you put that in there, you close the door. And now to turn on and for it to start doing its job, you have to press that UVC button. And now you can see 360 seconds is the timer. And then the lights are down below. You could see that how it's lit up underneath there. Now, once you open up the door, it stops. And then it looks like that it continues on the process until it's all done. You can also stop it by pressing the power button, and then it stops. So again, you can hold up to 5 toothbrushes. Is that lighting up there going to be enough? I don't know, but something, again, to think about. Now, as far as hanging it, there's 2 different options. This plate, I'm going to go ahead and stop that there a second. This plate comes off, and so that's always going to be on your wall, on your mirror. Now, these 2 sticky backings are a little bit tricky to take off. One side, very easy to take off, and it's very sticky. This side, I was struggling to take it off. I told the company, is this supposed to be sticky or something on this side? Because I literally could not get it off. Finally, I got it off, but I started peeling it off. But nonetheless, it's very difficult, so you might need to get some other adhesive if you have a challenge. You also have 2 holes here, and those are for if you wanted to drill it into a wall. And they don't come with screws. I don't know why. It should have, but nonetheless, it does not. So you have 2 options there. Now, as far as toothpaste, I tried one tube, which is bigger, and I could not get it to work. I did find I have this other smaller toothpaste, and it works. So I'm going to show you that now. This is a Sensodyne, and all you do is just put into this port. You'll see a rubber gasket in there. You don't worry about that. Just basically put your toothpaste in there and it will snap in closed, and then you just keep pressing, and let's see, it should eventually come out. Let's see, I got it out before. Let's see, so this should work. I think I'm starting to see it, so it might take, let's see if it comes. You might need to push down a little bit to get it going. There it comes, right there. And so you could just take your toothbrush, and there we go. So you can actually just push down. You can see how it's dispensing the toothpaste right on to the toothbrush head. So there you go. So that is also another nice feature to this product. In addition to sanitizing, you can use the toothpaste. So it's a nice combination there, and it's great for the family. Again, 5 toothbrushes, and electric or not, and it's nice that you don't have any wires as well, so it stays up perfectly well. And again, give you an idea here with the toothbrushes like this, and there you go. So that's how it would look. So that's the product. Let me know what your thoughts are. Again, I'll be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comment section below where you could check it out. I appreciate the company sending it to me. Again, using a sanitizer is a great way to go. Keeps your toothbrushes clean, which is better for your mouth. And also, again, you have the nice benefit of the toothpaste dispenser. All right, have a great day. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.